Are you ready to explore how to interpret nonverbal cues for better communication? This lesson reveals the secrets of body language to enhance your connections with others. Discover how gestures, posture, and facial expressions can speak louder than words. Body language is a form of nonverbal communication that includes gestures, posture, and facial expressions. It often communicates more information than spoken words, helping us understand true feelings and intentions. Understanding these signals can greatly improve your communication skills. By observing body language, you can gain insights into others' emotions. This knowledge can enhance both personal and professional relationships. Understanding body language is crucial because it reveals emotions and attitudes, builds trust and rapport, and helps prevent misunderstandings in both personal and professional interactions. By recognizing these nonverbal cues, you can navigate conversations more effectively. This skill can lead to more successful outcomes in various situations. Body language can also highlight unspoken issues. Mastering this skill is essential for effective communication. The main elements of body language include facial expressions, gestures, posture, eye contact, and proximity. Each of these sends important signals during communication. Understanding these elements can help you interpret others more accurately. By focusing on these aspects, you can improve your own nonverbal communication. This awareness is key to building better connections. Facial expressions are the most recognizable form of body language. They express emotions like happiness, sadness, anger, and surprise, and are often universal across cultures. Recognizing these expressions can help you understand others better. By observing facial cues, you can gain insights into someone's emotional state. This understanding can improve your interactions. Gestures, such as hand movements or nodding, can emphasize what we say or even contradict our words. Paying attention to gestures helps you interpret messages more accurately. These movements can reveal true intentions or feelings. By understanding gestures, you can enhance your communication skills. This knowledge is vital for interpreting nonverbal cues. Adjust your posture. Posture communicates a lot about a person's confidence and attitude. An open posture shows confidence and engagement, while a closed posture can indicate defensiveness or disinterest. Observing posture can provide valuable insights into someone's mindset. By adjusting your own posture, you can convey the right message. This aspect of body language is crucial for effective communication. Eye contact is a powerful tool. It shows you are paying attention and helps build trust. However, too much or too little eye contact can make others uncomfortable or seem untrustworthy. Balancing eye contact is key to effective communication. By mastering this skill, you can enhance your interactions. The distance you keep from others, known as proximity, is important. It varies by culture and relationship. Respecting personal space helps make others feel comfortable. Understanding these boundaries is crucial for smooth interactions. This awareness can prevent misunderstandings and build better connections. Positive body language includes smiling, nodding, leaning forward, and maintaining a relaxed posture. These signals show openness and interest in the conversation. By using positive body language, you can create a welcoming atmosphere. These cues can enhance your communication effectiveness. Understanding positive signals is key to building rapport. Negative body language, such as crossed arms, avoiding eye contact, fidgeting, or turning away, can signal discomfort, disagreement, or lack of interest. Recognizing these signals can help you address underlying issues. By being aware of negative cues, you can adjust your approach. This understanding is vital for resolving conflicts. Addressing negative body language can improve interactions. Always interpret body language in context. Combine what you see with what you hear and look for patterns rather than judging based on a single action. This approach leads to more accurate interpretations. By considering the full picture, you can understand others better. Context is key to effective communication. Body language can mean different things in different cultures. Gestures and eye contact norms vary, so always be mindful of cultural context when interpreting nonverbal signals. This awareness can prevent misunderstandings. By respecting cultural differences, you can enhance your interactions. Understanding cultural nuances is crucial for global communication. When someone's words and body language don't match, it may signal uncertainty or dishonesty. In such cases, ask clarifying questions to better understand their true feelings. Recognizing mixed signals can improve your communication accuracy. By addressing these discrepancies, you can resolve potential conflicts. This skill is essential for effective interactions. You can improve your own body language by practicing open posture, using appropriate gestures, maintaining comfortable eye contact, and smiling genuinely during conversations. These adjustments can enhance your communication effectiveness. By focusing on these aspects, you can convey confidence and openness. This practice can lead to more successful interactions. Improving your body language is a valuable skill. When observing others, look for clusters of signals and notice any changes in their body language. Stay non-judgmental and open-minded in your interpretations. This approach leads to more accurate understanding. By observing effectively, you can gain insights into others' feelings. This skill is crucial for building better connections. Build rapport by mirroring positive gestures, showing active listening through your body language, and respecting the other person's personal space. These techniques can enhance your relationship building skills. By focusing on positive cues, you can create a welcoming atmosphere. This practice is vital for effective communication. Building rapport is essential for successful interactions. Avoid common mistakes like over-interpreting single gestures or making assumptions. Always remember that context is key to understanding body language correctly. This awareness can prevent misunderstandings. By focusing on the bigger picture, you can improve your communication accuracy. Avoiding these mistakes is crucial for effective interactions. Let's practice. Watch short video clips, try to identify positive and negative body language signals, and discuss your interpretations to sharpen your skills. This exercise can improve your observational abilities. By practicing regularly, you can enhance your communication effectiveness. Engaging in scenarios is key to mastering body language. Virtual meeting tips. In virtual meetings, use facial expressions and gestures, sit up straight, and look at the camera to convey engagement and confidence, even through a screen. These adjustments can improve your virtual interactions. By focusing on these aspects, you can maintain effective communication. This practice is essential for online success. Virtual communication requires special attention. To sum up, body language complements what you say. Observe and interpret nonverbal cues, adapt your own body language, and keep practicing to become a more effective communicator. These skills are essential for successful interactions. By focusing on these aspects, you can enhance your communication abilities. Mastering body language is crucial for effective communication. Start observing body language in your daily interactions, practice using positive signals, and reflect on your progress to continue improving your communication skills. These steps can lead to more successful outcomes. By focusing on these actions, you can enhance your communication effectiveness. Taking action is key to improvement. Continuous practice is essential for mastery. Are you ready to dive deeper into effective eye contact and facial expressions? These skills are vital for mastering nonverbal communication. Continue building your abilities for even greater success in your interactions.